Hello, this is Ramona Depares. Welcome to Sigma TV. Today we are going to demystify IT. We are at the Arkafort offices and we will be joined by Gordon and Justin, who will explain all about the services they offer. So Justin, tell us a bit about Arkafort and the concept behind it.
Clients and businesses face difficulties in managing their IT needs. So we at Arkafort believe in simplifying technology, simplifying IT, and being a one-stop shop, an end-to-end solutions provider to our customers. When we say end-to-end, we enable the client and the customer to focus on his core objectives and leave to us all the IT requirements. As I said, we have various expertise across the board, and obviously we can help the client and remove the need to have resources for his IT needs.
But how important is it that companies nowadays have this full spectrum of IT services that they can rely on?
We touch IT every day, but that doesn't mean we are making the most of it. We at Arkafort strongly believe in leveraging IT and simplifying IT and having a resilient system so that the customer or the business can focus on his core objectives. We have our 24/7 IT operations team, which handles daily IT tasks, so to say. And we have our IT infrastructure team, which handles projects such as cable laying, fiber optic installations, certifications, data rooms, Wi-Fi systems. We did some complex Wi-Fi projects as well, both locally and abroad. And we have our DevOps team. The DevOps team helps our clients build and maintain systems for their end users, which is a very specialized team we have. And we have our data center. We offer various products and services, the traditional services such as co-location and bare metal servers, so on and so forth. But we also offer, and this is very exciting for us, we also offer VPS servers, MGA replication servers, which are all automatically provisioned, removing the need of complex contracts, complex negotiations, and lengthy timeframes and timelines. We just go on our cloud platform, point and click, and provision a server and start using it there and then.
We are now joined by Gordon, who will go into a bit more detail about the services offered by Arkafort. Gordon, what can you tell us about these services? Who would be in need of them and who stands to benefit?
Basically, we see IT as being something which is required by pretty much all businesses today, right? We strongly believe that all businesses which fail to leverage kind of the benefits provided by technology will face difficulties. So it's kind of our mission to make sure that we bring technology and make it easily accessible to pretty much any organization. In terms of current clientele, we basically operate across a number of industries. So we've got retail, we've got tourism, we've got some gaming clients as well. Basically, we try to provide a complete range of services for pretty much any organizations, even from in terms of client size and so on. Our clients basically range from very small businesses, small to medium-sized businesses, but we also offer services to very large corporations locally and even abroad. We've got clients in the US, clients in Europe. So yeah, I would say that pretty much each and every business and each and every project kind of requires some form of IT, and we're obviously there to give a helping hand.
So can you give us some more detail about how Arkafort can support iGaming industries?
Part of what we do as well is we're developing a cloud platform, right? The development of this platform is again aimed towards making technology more accessible. And what we normally do is we look around for pain points in different industries, and the same thing that we did for gaming. We host services for a number of gaming clients, right? But one of the products that we developed on this cloud platform caters specifically for the requirement of the gaming industry, right? So basically, it's what we call a replication server, whereby our clients can kind of replicate their data over to Malta, and so being compliant with local regulations, right? But what we did is we've making it really, really simple for these servers to be kind of provisioned and create then this and that. So in this regard, for example, a prospective client would just need to log into our platform or register. It's all online. There is no complex process to go through, right? And just turn on one of these servers and they can start working straight away. That's just one example of how we're facilitating and making it kind of easier for the gaming industry to operate locally as well.
So even a small iGaming company that doesn't have maybe a massive IT specialized department can access the service with minimum knowledge.
Yes, definitely. And one thing that we really focus on as well is that we don't leave our clients up to that. So the cloud platform is 100% online, but we have all of the support structures in place every step of the way in order to assist our clients, right? So the 24/7 IT support team, but we also have a dedicated DevOps team, right? So be it generic IT support, be it development of a platform, be it these replication and compliance services, we try to be always there to give a helping hand.
Can you give us some more detail about the aims, the ambitions of these services, maybe even about the trust that is built with the client?
Sure. Yes. So basically, I'll start off with trust because I believe that that's a very important point. We obviously deal with a lot of clients which trust us with their information, right? So trust is at the very basis of everything that we do. We are a business-to-business company. We understand the needs of these businesses. We understand how important information is for these businesses, right? So yeah, trust is very important. We try to achieve that by primarily being consistent with the services that we offer and simplify the model of the services that we offer, right? So we believe that simple services, clear and efficient agreements, and this consistency, right, is what allows us to build this element of trust, which is at the very foundation of our relationships with our clients. It's always been our objective. We always say that we try to simplify complexity, right? We believe that technology is complex and that businesses which again fail to kind of understand this complexity and then the crux of technology will have issues. So we're there to facilitate that. That's the vision, right? Being kind of, yes, facilitating access to technology.
Awesome. So nowadays there's very much the startup culture, but many businesses start small and then they grow. Yes. How do you grow with them essentially? How do the services expand?
So yeah, even that is at the very foundation of the way in which we operate. Again, we have big multinational clients along with very small businesses. So we try to cater for each and every client, right? But even our pricing model, for example, we've recently introduced what we're calling a forever free concept, right? So basically, it's kind of our promise to deliver a select number of services, which include our IT support, free for the first 2 team members of every business, right? So this is how we believe that we're kind of making life easier for these smaller businesses. But then obviously, all of these models, they can scale and scale and scale. To obviously cater for the larger organizations.
It's a very good incentive, I have to say.
Yes, it's something that we gave kind of a lot of thought, and I mean, we believe in it.
But obviously then once these companies grow larger, then you have no problem increasing the scale of the services.
Not at all. So our IT support team, which is kind of our front line when it comes to dealing with clients, is a 24/7 operation. So we're always there to help because we serve different time zones, because we've got the data center here as well. So in that regard, we're always there. And it's something that can easily scale.
And there you have it. Whether you are a startup planning on taking over the world or whether you are a big company, Arkafort will provide the right IT solution for you. Thank you for following Sigma TV. Let us know what you think in the comments below.